Let's learn the blues scales in the key of E major. We're gonna be looking at the 2 blues scales that you can use in your playing, and the first one is gonna be this one here. When you descend, is this one. Let's do that again. So it's your 1, it's your 2, so sharp 2, it's your 3, it's your 5, it's your 6, it's your, you're back to 1 again. When you descend, is the same thing. 1, 6, 5, 3, sharp 2, 2, 1, right? And then let's see how you can use that in your playing. Let's take, for example, the song "We Lift Him Higher." We lift him higher. We lift him higher. When the praises goes up, His glory comes down. Let's do that again. We lift him higher, higher. We lift him higher. When the praises goes up, there go my blues scale. His glory comes down. Let's do that again. When the praises goes up, when the praises goes up, my blues scale. That's how you get to use, your blues scales there. Now let's look at the second one. The second one is this one here. I usually use this in a praise break or when the preacher maybe is preaching, right? And I'll usually just descend. So is this one? Is this? When you descend, so it's your 1, sharp 2, 4, sharp 4, 5, sharp 6, and then back to 1 again. Hallelujah, give me praise. When the preachers, or maybe even it's just someone who's leading worship, saying, let's give God a big hand of praise, right? And instead of just camping here on 1, you can just add your blues scales there. Then you lead him back to 1, right? And this one, because it's not part of the blues scale, you don't have to do this. Obviously, when you are doing a blues scales and you are descending, and you are here, then it's up to you then where you go from there, right? In my case, I will just or maybe I can just say okay, no, but because I'm descending, I need to go back to 1. Yeah, and that's how you get to use your blues scales. I hope this helped, and I hope this is gonna improve your playing as well, and you get to to learn how you can incorporate the blues scales in your play. I know this is not something that we use a lot, especially if you are playing gospel, because this is something that is used a lot more in blues scales, in blues music, and also jazz, and also we see this also in some R&B and soul. But yeah, it's always good to know these scales, right? And it's up to you if you wanna use this, but the more you use it, the faster you become and the better it helps you, when you work on improving your playing. Okay, I hope this helps, and see you in the next one.